How to fix the look of broken hairs.
Quick hair tip this morning. You know when you get the little brokeny bits, or baby hair bits, or mine are broken. Get your hairspray, put it on your fingertips, and then you're gonna use it like a little bit of structure, just on the areas you need it. So you've got broken bits there, let's get those down. And then you can always just spritz and then smooth. And that just keeps all those baby hairs or those broken bits just really in place for the day. Quick tip, hope that helps.